Hello, dear students. I am Assistant Professor Dr. V.D. Jadhav, People's College, Nanded. Today, I am taking lecture on the topic of electricity company account. This question has asked in the examination of Swami Ramanand Tirth, Marathwada University, Nanded, uh, November-December 2024 for the BCom third year, sixth semester. The question is, the following is the trial balance of Electric Light and Power Company Limited as on 31st December 2022. In that three columns given, particular, debit rupees, credit rupees. Now I am starting to solve this question. First item of this question, that is equity shares. Equity shares goes to the capital account credit side. Here I have created capital account. Capital account receipt side, equity share capital. Amount is directly given, hence I am taking this up to the 31st March 2021 column. That is 5,49,000. Next item, debenture. Debenture is also item of capital, hence amount 2 lakh rupees goes to the capital account credit side. Debenture amount rupees 2 lakh. Next item, land to 31st December 2021, about 1 lakh 50,000. This goes to the capital account expenditure side. It means this is the capital expenditure to land. Amount rupees 1 lakh 50,000 up to rupees 31st March 2021. Sorry, up to 31st December 2021. Next, land bought during the year 2022. It means addition of land rupees 5,000 is goes to the capital account. During the year 2022, rupees 5,000, total rupees 1 lakh 55,000. Next item, machinery to 31st December 2021. This one is goes to the capital account debit side or expenditure side, rupees 6 lakh to machinery, rupees 6 lakh. Next item, machinery bought during the year 2021, rupees 5,000. It means addition into the machinery 5,000. Total of this 6 lakh 5,000. Next item, mains to 31st December 2021, 2 lakh. This one is also goes to the capital account debit side or expenditure side. 2 mains, rupees 2 lakh. Next item, mains laid during 2022, 51,000. It means addition into the mains 51,000. Total of this 2 lakh 51,000. Sundry creditors. Sundry creditors is the current liability, hence goes to the liability side under the heading of current liabilities is 1,000. Balance sheet liability side rupees 1,000 under the heading of current liability and provision. Next item, depreciation account 2 lakh 50,000. This one is also part of liability because of here is given credit side 2 lakh 50,000, hence balance sheet liability side under the heading of current liability and provision 2 lakh 50,000. Next, sundry debtors for current supply. Sundry debtors for current supply amount rupees 40,000. This one is the item of asset, hence balance sheet asset side under the heading of current asset. Sundry debtors for current supply rupees 40,000. Next, stores in hand. Stores in hand rupees 5,500. Cash 5,000. Both items are going to the asset side under the heading of current asset. Stores in hand 5,500 and cash 5,000. The next item is cost of electricity generated. This item goes to the revenue account under the heading of generation. Next, cost of distribution of electricity rupees 5,000. This item goes to the under the heading of distribution revenue account debit side. Next, rent rate and taxes rupees 5,000. This item goes to the revenue account debit side under the heading of rent rate and taxes. Management expenses rupees 12,000. This item goes to the revenue account debit side under the heading of management expenses. 12,000. Now depreciation 20,000. This item goes to the revenue account debit side under the heading of depreciation 20,000. Because of this depreciation amount is given to the debit side, hence I am recording here debit side of the revenue account. Then sale of current 1,30,000. This item goes to the revenue account credit side under the heading of sale of electricity 1,30,000. Then meter rent goes to the revenue account credit side under the heading of miscellaneous revenue. Amount of is 5,000. Then interest on debenture, 10,000 goes to the net revenue account debit side. 10,000. Then interim dividend, also goes to the net revenue account debit side to interim dividend 20,000. Next, net revenue account balance on 31st December 2021. This item going to the net revenue account credit side as a opening balance. It means this is the last year balance. Net revenue account credit side 28,500. Now trial balance over. Now I am closing one by one account. Net revenue revenue account credit side is 1,35,000. Less debit side. The difference is transfer to net revenue account, that is 63,000. Balance of net revenue account going to the net revenue account credit side 63,000. The total of net revenue account credit side, that is 91,500. Now I am closing capital account. Capital account receipt side equity share capital up to 31st December 2021. After that, nothing is given. It means this amount should be taken as total amount. Same thing happen with debenture. Now I am creating total of receipt side, that is 7,49,000 up to 31st March also. Same 7,49,000. And expenditure side total 10 lakh 11,000. During the year, 61,000. And up to 31st December 2021, that is 95 9 lakh 50,000. Now I am taking working note part. Working note for calculation of contingency reserve. Half percent means 0.5% on capital expenditure. Means 0.5% on, what is the amount of capital expenditure? That is, I have calculated recently. This one is the total of capital expenditure, 10 lakh 11,000. 5% on 10 lakh 11,000 is 5,055. Effect goes to the net revenue account. Debit side. Second effect goes to the balance sheet, liability side, under the heading of reserve and surplus. Now I am taking this effect, net revenue account debit side, to contingency reserve 5,500, and second effect goes to the balance sheet liability side under the heading of reserve and surplus, contingency reserve 5,500. Now I am closing net revenue account. Credit side is 91,500 less debit side. The difference is 56,445. Now are both sides are tallied. This balance transfer to balance sheet under the heading of reserve and surplus. Net revenue account balance 56,445. Now I am closing capital account. Here is the expenditure side is bigger, hence this total I am taking here, finalize. Then total of receipt side less, the balance is 2 lakh 62,000. That is the balance. Both side are tell you. 10 lakh 11,000. 10 lakh 11,000. Now I am closing balance sheet. Here is the item of capital receipt. What is the total of capital receipt? That is 7 lakh 49,000. The capital expenditure total, that is 10 lakh 11,000. Now reaching total of both sides, that is 10 lakh 61,500. Balance sheet is tallied on the amount of 10 lakh 61,500. I hope you have understood this solution. Thank you.